IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you enjoy shopping? Why or why not? Band 5 answer.
Yes, I like shopping sometimes, but not always. I go to buy clothes or food when I need them. Sometimes I feel tired because shops are crowded.
Why is this a band 5? The answer is simple and on topic, but the grammar is basic. I go to buy clothes. Vocabulary is limited, and the response lacks development or variety in sentence structure. 7.5 answer.
I usually enjoy shopping, especially when I'm looking for clothes or gadgets. It feels relaxing to browse and compare prices. But I don't like it when the stores are too busy or noisy.
Why is this a band 7.5? The response is fluent, with natural vocabulary, browse, compare prices, and balanced reasoning. Minor limitations in complexity, but overall cohesive and natural. Band 9 answer.
Yes, I genuinely enjoy shopping because it's both practical and therapeutic for me. I love exploring new stores, comparing brands, and even just observing trends. However, I prefer shopping during quieter hours since crowds can be a bit overwhelming.
This is a band 9. Highly fluent, with precise and varied vocabulary, therapeutic, observing trends, overwhelming. The ideas are well developed and naturally linked, showing strong control over tone and structure. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.